Let's make some fried quinoa. I know you're probably like, Ashley, I thought it was fried rice.
Who's Ashley? Really, girl? That's the girl from New Orleans that make vegan food. Ain't nobody in New Orleans eat no vegan food, all that good crawfish they got down there. So y'all just act like y'all remember me. I ain't even been gone that long. Girl, you been gone so long, we thought you had gone pecan. That was a good one. Damn, chill. We was just playing, Lord. Anyway, back to what I was saying.
Add your quinoa to a pot along with some seasonings and some water. Let that cook. To a cast iron skillet, add some sesame oil, purple onions, yellow bell peppers, baby bella mushrooms, sliced butternut squash, and some zucchini. Season well and then saute until tender. We're going to use our Ash Natural Vegan Chickpea Scramble omelet mix as our vegan egg substitute. Combine your dry mix and some sparkling water. Pour your batter into a cast iron skillet and cook on both sides until well done. And then you're just going to break it up really well, kind of like, you know, how you might like scramble some eggs or whatever. When your quinoa is done, it should look a little something like this. Go ahead and add that to your cooked veggies along with your scrambled chickpeas. Mix all that up. Now you could leave it as it is, or you can add a little bit of coconut aminos as a healthier soy sauce alternative. And when it's all done, it should look a little something like this. Chinese kitchen who? Okay, that's what I thought. This recipe will be in my upcoming cookbook. And if you'd like to purchase my vegan chickpea scramble